Wait, was there a hacker?
Yep.
Okay, that's why these people blew up over here, because I was perfectly fine.
Maybe I think it's if you're in a vehicle.
It wasn't even
Oh,
in a
dude.
vehicle.
They just sold a bunch of fucking, stuff.
Oh, we just got instant revived.
Bro, look, I didn't die. I told you.
I didn't die either.
Mitch is the hacker.
Bro, I never. Bro, that's happened so many times now, and I just never get killed.
Wasn't that Scion dude in our fucking gang?
No. He's the leader of Fredo's little faggot gang.
We used to have a Scion dude in our gang or something like that. The guy that would just go roach the fucking cartels.
Oh, you're on about
Cyan Matrix.
yeah.
That fucking sucks. Now I'm in the middle of nowhere. Yeah.
You lost your vehicle?
Chopper.
You said it was a helicopter?
That's
Yeah, I
so
was in a
funny.
helicopter.
I just
And it
wait.
goes
Hi,
fucking
monkey.
700.
Diesel. Diesel.
Did my truck just despawn?
Yeah, bro.
How?
Yeah. What the fuck? Mine did too.
Bro, mine just
Did
despawned
yours-
too.
What the fuck?